my dear friends, how's it going? I hope everything goes well with you. My name is Saber Fazli Ahmadi, and today I want to talk about one of the most interesting websites that I have ever seen. This website name is Websim.ai. You can go to this website and register with your Gmail account, and here you can write a prompt to create a fully website. So let's try it together. For example, we write this prompt, create a fully online shopping website with all the necessary details, and click on the enter. So let's see what will happen. As you can see, in less than 10 seconds, you can have a fully website with AI. So let me know what is your idea about this. Have a good day and cheers!